This video is based on trigonometric ratios. So what are these trigonometric ratios, where we use it in our real life? So let us assume a person stand. Let's take this is our let's take this is our ground. Let us assume a person stand opposite to this pole. So let's take this point is A, and the foot of the pole is B, and the top of the pole is C. If you join point C to point A, this clearly forms a right angle triangle, right angle at B. Now he want to find the height of this pole, that is BC. How can he find the height of this pole? Because by using Pythagoras theorem, it says the square on hypotenuse, that is AC square, is equal to AB square plus BC square. Means here, if you know the two sides, we can find third sides. But here he can find only the distance from this foot of the pole to this point A. So how can we find the height of the pole? So by using trigonometric ratios, we can come across this problem. So with respect to this angle A, this side is called as opposite side, that is opposite to A, opposite to angle A, and this side is called as adjacent side, adjacent to angle A, with respect to angle A, and this longest side is called as hypotenuse. It is called as what? Hypotenuse. So now basically the ratios means comparison of two sides. Ratios means comparison of two sides. Here the trigonometric ratios means the comparison of sides of the right angle triangle. So let's see what are the ratios. So in trigonometry we have 6 ratios. So the first ratio is sine. It is called as sine. It is written as SIN, sine of angle A. Sine is a ratio of opposite to hypotenuse. It is the comparison of side opposite to hypotenuse. Opposite to hypotenuse. So in this triangle it is opposite is BC by AC. BC by AC. And second, cosine. Cosine is a ratio of adjacent to the hypotenuse. Cos, it is written as cos adjacent by hypotenuse. So in this triangle it is BC by AC, AB by AC, and the next ratio is tangent. Next ratio is tangent. So it is written as tan of angle A. Tan of angle A, that is opposite to adjacent. It is a ratio of opposite side to the what? Adjacent side. So it is BC by AB. BC by AB. So these are the main 3 ratios, and the next 3 ratios are the reciprocal of these ratios. For example, the fourth one is reciprocal of sine, that is called as cosecant. So it is written as cosec. Cosec of, we consider angle A. So which is reciprocal of sine, that is 1 by sine. So the reciprocal of sine, sine is opposite by hypotenuse, then the reciprocal of sine is hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse by opposite. So that is AC by BC. AC by BC. So the fifth ratio is reciprocal of cosine, that is secant. So it is written as sec A, which is reciprocal of cos, that is 1 by cos. We can write 1 by cos A. Now which is hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse by adjacent, that is AC by AB. AC by AB. Now the sixth ratio is reciprocal of tan. Let us write it here. So that is cotangent. Cotangent which is reciprocal of tan, that is 1 by tan, which will be written as adjacent by opposite. It is written as adjacent by opposite. So that is AB by BC. AB by BC. So these are the 6 ratios. Here we consider the angle A. If you take angle C, then this side will be the opposite side. So if you consider angle C, with respect to angle C, this side is opposite and this side is adjacent. The hypotenuse is fixed. So these are the 6 ratios. Based on these 6 ratios, we can find the unknown sides of the right triangle. Okay, thank you.